everyone, my name is Jennifer Bimabaga. Before we begin our presentation, allow us to introduce a concept that helps us to understand how our planet truly works. This is called sphere interactions.
Good day everyone, my name is Libiro. Let me discuss the Earth four major systems. The geosphere, which is the land, the hydrosphere, which is the water, the atmosphere, which is the air, and the biosphere, which includes all living things.
Good day once again. Now that you know what sphere interaction means, let us take a closer look to its parts.
The Earth is made up of four main systems. Each one is important and each one has a role. First, we have the geosphere. This is the solid part of the Earth, the land, the rocks, mountains, and even the soil beneath our feet. Next is the hydrosphere. This includes all the waters like oceans, rivers, lakes, and rain, and even ice. Then there is the atmosphere. It is the layer of the air that surrounds the Earth. It gives us winds, clouds, and weather we experience every day. Finally, the biosphere. This is where all living things belong: people, animals, and plants. These four spheres are not separate. They are connected. When something happens in one, it can affect the others. This is why we call sphere interactions. It is how Earth responds, connects, and stay balanced. Now, let us discuss the parts of the sphere interactions. In the previous scene, we introduced the four spheres of the Earth: the geosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Now, let us take a deeper look into how these spheres interact when a natural event takes place. It is important to understand that these spheres are not just separate layers, they are connected systems. When one changes, the other responds. Let us consider an example. When a strong typhoon forms in the atmosphere, it brings powerful winds and heavy rain. This immediately affects the hydrosphere, as rainfall increases and water levels rise. As the rain reaches the land, the geosphere is impacted. Flooding may cause soil erosion, landslides, and damage to the environment. The ground becomes unstable, and structures may be destroyed. And in the midst of all this, the biosphere suffers. Plants are uprooted, animals lose their homes and human communities face danger, loss, and disruption.